Hello, I am Steve at Kersey Mobility in Sumner, Washington. Wanted to show you our newest installation on a 2019 Dodge Ram full-size truck. It's the DAP Solutions Link seat mounted in the passenger front position. So, just grab the pendant here, hit the button on the top, the blue light illuminates. Top right button brings the seat out of the vehicle. It's all automatic, continuous touch. Using the OEM seat, retained the fan in the seat, the heating, the cooling, the OEM recline, all intact. Comes around. Alright, stops on its own. This is approximately 25 inches high up off the ground at this point. Just go ahead and have a seat on here. Hit the button. Turn it on. Takes you back up inside the truck. The back will automatically recline, giving you added headroom through the doorway. Plenty of clearance on the side here. Again, this is a 2019 Dodge Ram full-size truck. Longhorn edition, very nice interior, fits beautifully. The DAP Solutions Link, passenger front position, retain the heating, the cooling, the OEM recline, the feet. At this point, I have plenty of foot room for myself, and I'm just kind of letting them drag in there right now, like so. Now you may have to help the client a little bit. At this point, kind of lift up, and that's it. Now you do retain, again, you do have forward and back movement with the pendant, and you can elevate the front of the seat up for added comfort while traveling.